second level of measurement of biodiversity is called species diversity. Species diversity. Species diversity refers to the number and distribution of species in a geographical area. So there are two aspects here. There may be variations in the number of species. Variations in the number of species. One particular geographical area may have some 20 different species of animals. Another geographical area may have some 30 different species of animals. So, in terms of number of species inhabiting that area, we find variations, and more the number of species, higher is the biodiversity. Higher is the biodiversity. So if a geographical area has more number of species, different species, maybe plants or animals or other organisms, then it is known to be richer in biodiversity. So we use the term species richness. Species richness. Richness in the number of species. Species richness is an index of biodiversity. So it is based on the species richness that for a given geographical area it is possible to construct what are known as biodiversity profiles. Biodiversity profiles indicate the species richness of given geographical areas. So we can talk about biodiversity profile of a particular geographical area. Biodiversity profile of South Bangalore, biodiversity profile of Bangalore district, biodiversity profile of Karnataka, biodiversity profile of India, biodiversity profile of Asia, like this, indicating the species richness in these areas. So species richness is an index of biodiversity. Diversity can be observed even in the distribution of different species. So within the same geographical area, it is possible that given species may have a diverse distribution. This particularly depends on the availability of resources and suitable habitats. So species diversity is a very important aspect of biodiversity because it indicates the species richness in a given geographical area. The next level of measuring biodiversity is ecosystem or community diversity. Ecosystem or community diversity. This is the diversity observed in terms of habitats, niches, ecosystems and communities. Ecosystem diversity or community diversity is measured at three levels. Namely alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity.